Day cab sleeper conversion. A day cab sleeper conversion starts as a standard truck without a sleeping area and is later modified to include a compact rest space behind the seats. These conversions became popular among independent drivers who wanted flexibility without buying a new truck. The added sleeper is usually small and simple, often just enough for short rest breaks. It matters because it gives drivers a cost-effective way to extend their working range while staying compliant with rest regulations. Flat roof sleeper. A flat roof sleeper is one of the most basic factory-built sleeper designs, with a low-level roof that does not extend above the cab height. This design has been around for decades and is often used for regional hauling, where drivers spend occasional nights on the road. The limited headroom means less comfort for standing, but it keeps the truck aerodynamic and affordable. It remains relevant for companies that prioritize efficiency over luxury. Mid-roof sleeper. A mid-roof sleeper offers a balance between compact size and interior comfort, with a raised roof that allows partial standing room. It became more common as long-haul demands increased, but fleets still wanted manageable fuel efficiency. Inside, drivers get more storage and a slightly more open feel compared to flat roof designs. It matters because it serves as a middle ground, giving drivers better comfort without the bulk of larger sleepers. High roof sleeper. A high roof sleeper is designed for full standing height inside the cab, creating a more livable space for long-distance drivers. This type gained popularity as trucking shifted toward longer routes and stricter rest requirements. The extra vertical space allows for cabinets, larger beds, and even small work areas. It stands out because it transforms the truck from just a vehicle into a temporary living environment. If you are finding this video helpful, take a moment to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you do not miss the next part.